Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing an Amazon nail haul. The day I post this, I believe it will be Prime Day. So today and tomorrow there's going to be crazy sales. If you have a Prime account, you're able to see a lot of these sales. I'm not quite sure how it works if you don't have Prime, but it's a perfect opportunity to get yourself some nail stuff. I've been buying some stuff over the week, so I thought I might as well just go ahead and show you some of the stuff. Hopefully some of the stuff that I do show might be discounted today and tomorrow, but let me get into the haul. On my desk here I have some polishes, I have some chrome powder, but I'll be showing these last. So I got this Macart 3D gel. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but let me open it up. So this is the 3D sculptor gel. I got this because when I was doing my 3D nail design, I had to use the rhinestone glue because that's the only thing I had with like a small nozzle. But this is perfect for any 3D design. And on the plus side, it's a no wipe. So if you do the 3D chrome design, it will work perfectly. Speaking of rhinestone glue, I got some more because I'm almost out. This was $6.99 and I think that's the permanent price of it, but I'm hoping it goes down. If it does, I'm going to get some more. If you don't have rhinestone glue, I suggest getting it. It is perfect for all sorts of things. So these are the only two things that I got from Macart. There is something that I was going to buy and I put it in my basket. It was in my basket for like an hour. Then they raised the price. I believe it's called the Glux glue or Glux gel. It was $6.99 when I added it to my cart, then they increased it to $9.99. I will be checking again to see if they lower the price because it's similar to bubblegum gel, and although I have like quite a bit of the bubblegum gel left, I do want to try out Macart's version and see how it is. But if you do like to use solid glue gels, keep an eye out for it. I'll also have it somewhere on the screen so you know what to look for. I got these green charms because when I was doing my moss nail set, or should I say moss nail, I didn't have very much of these, so I purchased it just for that reason. But these are really pretty and I know I'm going to use them again. I also bought these flowers. I do already have some of these, but I was running low on just the white ones. This I believe was like $4 or $5 and it comes with the pack of 3 and it's all different colors. The middle one has bigger flowers, and I also chose this kit as well because these green flowers right here, I did want to use them in my moss nail design. I really like the black ones. I haven't actually seen the black ones before, and it also comes with some tweezers, which is great. I also got some stiletto swatch sticks. I buy so much of these and then they just kind of disappear. I found this pack of 100 pieces and it comes with the stickers. I'm probably not going to use these, but it's nice to have if you're someone that likes these stickers. And then it also comes with the rings. I got these cute Halloween gothic type of charms. Let me show you up close. I believe there are 30 pieces. I thought they were so cute, especially the heart with the drops. I think these are really nice, but there's a lot of different designs. There's some skulls. I think this one is a snake. I also got some of these cross charms. If you've seen my birthday nail set, you've already seen these. It sucks because I really wanted to use these. It didn't really flow with my design, but I really like these. There's 2 different types of crosses. There are these ones here. Oops. There are these ones with the pearls, and then they have the basic one without any pearls. And it's just the same with the gold. They have it with the pearls and then they'll have the one without. I'm really excited to show you guys this because I feel like just some of you may click on it to buy it. This was $3.99 and I'm going to show you all the stickers that it comes with. So it's a Halloween pack and it's mostly Scream, I believe. But these are super cool and I'm seeing that they look like they're good quality. I have an idea of a set I want to do using these. I'm hoping it's not the stickers that when you peel it just like rips up, but the design of these are amazing. They also have Nightmare Before Christmas in this pack. And then they also have this one. I love this one so much, and I might actually use this. I'm torn between this one and the first sheet. This one is just like a witches themed one. I see a cauldron, I see a flying witch, a black cat. I just realized what this one was whilst looking at it. When I was ordering it, I couldn't really tell, but it's like Freddy as a bear, Jason as a bear, what else? Pennywise over here. Oh, they made Pennywise cute. Who would have thought? And this is also why I bought this, because they have a Billy and Mandy pack. And I loved Billy and Mandy growing up. It was such an odd show, but it was so good. This is another random sheet, but mostly pink. And then we're back to the beginning. But this was only $3.99. And of course I'm gonna have everything linked in the description, but you've got to get it. This is such a great pack. I also got another pack of stickers from the same seller. This seller has the best stickers. Like, they have everything that you could possibly think of, and their Halloween stickers are pretty good. Of course I had to get this one just for the Scream. I feel like Ghostface and just the general Scream theme belongs on nails. Every year I'm just fascinated at what people come up with, and these stickers are pretty great because I know not everybody wants to draw Ghostface. I was gonna do a Ghostface set this year, but I've done it twice in a row and I feel like I should give it a break. But I also don't want to completely sit out, so I will be doing a set using the stickers. This one is so cute. I can see these on shorter nails. This is another one of my favorites in this pack. I also got myself some duck nail tips. I've seen that they have 2XL now. In one of my previous videos, when Amazon did have duck nail tips, they were pretty short, but I'm excited to see how these are. I feel like I'm still on the fence about duck nails. I hate them, but I also like them. I don't know, but I'm gonna do a set using this sometime soon. This one has a slightly better apex than the previous duck tips that I tried. And then I had to get these. I think these are fairly new on Amazon, or maybe it just wasn't recommended to me when it came out. But Amazon has 5XL nail tips. And you might be like, what are you doing with 5XL nail tips? I just seen them and instantly had to get them because I've actually never tried anything outside of 3XL. And I feel like even with my 3XL tips, I usually cut them. So I'm going to try something crazy. I'm going to try a 5XL nail set. Not quite sure when I'm going to do it. When I do this set, it's not necessarily going to be something that I walk around wearing. These are crazy long. This might be as long as my finger. No, it's actually longer than my finger. But when I do this set, it's coming right off afterwards. I know it's going to take me... I couldn't even guess because I don't even know what I'm going to do yet, but... wow, look at how long these are. I also got some of these full nail stickers. Next, I have some chrome powders. This might be my favorite set of chrome powders that I own, and it is 16 jars, and when I bought it, it was $9.99. I'm going to take this out so you guys can get a better look, but it's just separated by bags, and then they include a whole bunch of applicators, and I thought it was pretty cool. They give 16 mini bags so that, you know, you could just like sort them as you want. I think I might do that. I'm not quite sure. I feel like they're okay in these bags for now. In this pack, it's kind of like the golds, the rose golds, and the silver. This pack has like the chameleon colors. I'm not quite sure what it's actually called. It's just like the two-tone colors. This one is by far my favorite when it comes to like the two-tone color, like the blue and purple design. And in this pack, it's just the solid colors, and then there's a holographic one in here. Next, I'll be showing the polishes. So this is from Beauty Pal, and I've already used one of these. What I like about this brand is that they put some swatch sticks in here. I've actually never seen that before, but I'm really happy that they put this in here. I'll swatch one on camera so you can see the consistency. So the consistency of it is pretty nice. It's not too thick, not too thin. I forgot to mention, but this is a sheer jelly nude kit. So this is how the one coat looks. I am going to do a second coat. This one is a pretty color because it has a little bit of glitter in there. So these are the colors. These are super pretty. I bought these because I needed a new nude shade for my toes, and the colors up here are definitely what I'm looking at. These stand out to me a lot more, but these are the colors in that kit. Next, I have some Beetles polishes. This is one of their reflective neon kits. I got this for Halloween sets, but I feel like I'm probably not going to be able to use it. There are some bright and pretty colors in here. I'm also going to swatch these and show you how they look. The consistency of this is pretty good. It's also kind of pigmented, which is nice. I could get away with one coat here. This is how they're looking. This is all one coat each. I feel like they're super pigmented. I will show this with the light off so you can see the reflection, but I'm really happy with these colors. This gel polish was recommended to me. They had so many beautiful shades, but I ended up getting this one because it's a popular one. I've actually already worn this polish. I honestly don't remember what video it was in, but I had like one of my hands done and I had painted it with this polish, but it is so pretty. As well as the polish being pretty, the packaging is also really nice. I got this in the color Princess Glitter. So this is how it looks with two coats and a top coat. It's such a pretty glitter, like the name of it just really matches how it looks. So I didn't get this from Amazon, but I thought I would show it in this haul because if I made a separate video, the video would be probably 30 seconds. So I might as well just put it at the end of this video. But I made my first purchase from V Beauty Pure. I didn't know that they changed their name. I recall them being Valentino Beauty or something like that. But either way, I got a few items and let me show you what I got. So they had a sale a while back and their polishes were like $7. I think it was like $7.50, I'm not quite sure. I decided to get some of the jellies from their collection. I've been looking for some good jellies and I'm being really picky about it. I do have like a few from a different brand, so I ended up just getting the 3. I'll swatch these and let you guys see how they go on. So this is the first color. I've actually used this one and I love it, but this is the color Siren and the number is 123. I love the consistency of it. It's almost like a syrup, not like thick like syrup. It feels good. I don't know how else to put it. The next color is Aura and this is 124. This one feels a little lighter than Siren. I might have to do 2 coats of this one. Next is Babe Blue, and this is 125. Ooh, this one is so nice. These are how they're looking. I love these so much. I feel the need to just buy the rest of the collection, but I am trying to save money. This is how it looks against the black. I feel like it just pops more. It's super shiny too. I've noticed that their formula is really shiny. I have top coated these, but before I actually top coated it, it was pretty shiny. I'm really impressed with my first time purchase. Do I go back and purchase the rest? I don't know, but I love these. It is the morning of Prime Day, and I had a feeling to check and see if there's been any price change in some of the stuff I showed, and a lot of it is on sale. I actually forgot to show you guys the glow in the dark top coat, but it is from Amazon. This is everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.